Hello, today I've got a box of 2025 Topps Chrome Mega Box. This is going to be a Fanatics exclusive. There's potentially the chance of a giveaway jersey or some other memorabilia in here. Not holding my breath on that, but let's see what's inside. I've got two of these boxes, so it'd be fun to see what's going on in here. Would love to get autograph of some sort, especially of a good player, but we'll see. So we're going to have 8 packs. 7 packs? Thought there was 8. Apparently 7 packs. So let's get ripping here. Pack number 1. It's got Emmanuel Clase. Got Corbin, Garrett Crochet. Riley Green. Got some kind of parallel card of Colton Cowser. Maybe not. Yeah, it is. I've got Isaac Collins, and to end that pack, we're going to have Spencer Horwitz. Pack number 2. Starts off with Jeremy Pena. Got Shane Bieber, Francisco Lindor. Got another insert. This is going to be Tyler Stevenson, Joey Bart, and wrapping it up with Bo Bichette. Pack number 3. Randy Arozarena, Mike Trout, Spencer Steer. It's going to be an insert of Seth Lugo, Bradley Blaylock, and ending it with Luis Castillo. Nothing great so far. Pack number 4. Got Vlad Guerrero Jr., Gleyber Torres, Joey Bart, Jacob Wilson, Juan Yepez, and Garrett Cole. All right, see if there's anything good. 3 packs to go. Brian Reynolds, Randy Arozarena, Michael Wacha, Eugenio Suarez insert, and I've got another one. This is going to be Greg Jones and Corbin Burns to end that pack. I remember when Corbin Burns played baseball. Those were nice days. He's been injured. Poor guy. All right, second to last pack. Jose Siri, Deshaun Kiersey. Here's an autograph, not bad. This is going to be Edgardo Henriquez. Love it. Love getting an autograph from a value box. So this is not serial numbered, but very cool card still. Makes the box worthwhile. Love it. Dropped one here. This is going to be Tanner Bibby. And then we've got Shota Managa. And ending the pack with Richard Pitts. All right, one more pack to go for this box. Vlad Guerrero, Nathaniel Lowe, Fernando Tatis Jr., an insert of Michael McGreevy, another one of Aaron Judge, and Julio Rodriguez. So that's it for that box. I did get that autograph, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next break.